Introduction to Web Vulnerabilities.
Web vulnerabilities are weaknesses in websites that attackers can exploit. Understanding these risks helps protect data and ensure secure online experiences. In this overview, we'll cover the most common web vulnerabilities and simple ways to recognize them, so you can better defend your applications and users.
Cross-site scripting. XSS.
Cross-site scripting, or XSS, occurs when attackers inject malicious scripts into web pages viewed by others. Signs include strange pop-ups or unexpected content changes. To identify XSS, test input fields by entering special characters or code and observe if the page displays it without filtering. Proper input validation helps prevent this issue.
SQL Injection.
SQL injection happens when attackers manipulate database queries by entering malicious SQL code into input fields like login forms or search boxes. Warning signs include database errors or unexpected data showing up. To detect this, try entering symbols like a single quote or logical operators in forms and watch for odd responses or errors.
Cross-site request forgery, CSRF.
The cross-site request forgery, or CSRF, tricks users into performing unwanted actions on a web application where they're already authenticated. Common signs include unexpected account changes without your direct input, checking for the presence of unique tokens in forms, and confirming that state-changing requests require authentication helps spot CSRF risks.
Insecure Direct Object References, IDOR.
The insecure direct object references occur when web applications allow users to access data by modifying references in the URL or form data. For example, changing an ID number in a web address may let you access another user's information. Test by altering input values and verifying if unauthorized data is exposed.
Preventing common web vulnerabilities.
To defend against these vulnerabilities, always validate user input. Use prepared statements for database queries, require strong authentication, and assign least privilege access. Regular code reviews, automated security scans, and keeping software up to date are practical steps for identifying and addressing web vulnerabilities early.